Let us start. Direct and inverse proportion. Now, to understand this, let me take an example. Let's take the example of number of pencils you want to buy. Okay, number of pencils. Okay, and the price of, let's say, price of the pencil. So you got two things here to discuss. In one side you have got number of pencils, and the other you have got price. Let's say you bought say one pencil, and that costs 3 rupee. So the cost of one pencil is 3 rupee. Okay, now you wanted to buy two pencils. Okay, so what will be the cost of two pencils? So we will find out. Now we'll find out based on the title of the topic, direct and inverse proportion. We'll try to understand how this particular topic relates to the topic of the day. Okay, so I will look into this detail. Okay, let's say for time being, let's take number of pencil represent it with number x. Okay, let's represent it by x, and the price you represent it by y. Okay, just for instance, so you are representing number of pencil by x and this price by y. This is what you have done. Now you can see here that when x is directly proportional to y, I'm just writing, say x is directly proportional to y. We'll understand how what is going to be in the end. So when we want to remove this sign of proportion, we have to put a constant here. This is what we have learnt in mathematics. So when you solve it, it becomes x by y is equal to constant k. So k is called constant. It means it will never change. No matter if you find the ratio of x and y, it will always be the same throughout in the given table. Okay, this is what the concept is. So for example, let's take these two tables. So if 1 is represented by, for time being, if 1 is represented by x1, then 3 will be represented by y1. Okay, because I'm considering number of pencil if 1 x1 and number of pencil y, the price will be y. For this it will be y1. Okay, now for going forward it will be x2 for 2, and for this box it will be y2. Okay, now when we say x, the ratio of x and y is constant, it means the ratio of x1 y1 will be constant, and the ratio of x2 and y2 will also be constant, the same number. It is the same number. So when these two are equal, so this one also be equal. So you can write easily x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. Let's put the value of these given number from the table. So you have got the value of x1 1, and the value of y1 is 3. x2 I have here 2, but y2 I don't know. That is what you have to find. So when you solve this equation by cross multiplication, it will be 1 into y2 is equal to 2 into 3, and y2 is equal to 2 into 3. y1 will go this side, so you can solve it. y2 is equal to 2 3 times 6. So this you have got 6. It means the price for two pencils rupees 6. Okay, now here you saw that when you increase the number of pencil, the price also increased. Okay, So by increasing the number of pencil, what happened? The price also increased. Okay, the price also increases. Okay, so that is called direct proportion. When one side you increase, other also increases. Now whether it is a direct proportion or not, that is again a question to be worked on. Now if you want to check whether the given table is a direct proportion or not, you have to check it in this manner. That is going to be displayed right now on the board. Let me change the color of the pen. Okay, you just look at this particular circle. I'm going to solve and make you understand, are they direct proportion or not. Okay, for the direct proportion, what you have to do, you have to find the ratio of x by y throughout the table. As if you find everywhere the ratio is the same, then it will be called direct proportion. So it means x by 1 will be equal to x1 by y1, will be equal to x2 by y2, equal to x3 by y3, so on so forth. So let me fill it in with some more details and see whether the given table which is there in the question is a direct proportion or not. So I'm filling it. Let's see, this is 3. Okay, so let's say 4, then 12, I'm just imagining it, 15, and 6, 18. Now we'll check whether they are direct proportion or not. So what I'm going to do, I'll find x by y, there's 1 by 3, x1 by y1, 2 by 6, x2 by y2, 3 by 9, then you've got 4 by 12, going forward 5 by 15, okay, and then 6 by 18. So if you cancel it, probably you will see that they are the same number. Can we check? So 1 by 3 the first one, 2 3s are 1, it also came 1 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 6 3s are 18. So you can see throughout you have got the value 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 throughout. So yes, this is in direct proportion because the ratio of x and y is constant throughout, and for that reason I can tell the given table is in direct proportion. Okay, so this is about direct proportion. I will do the inverse proportion in the next class. Meanwhile, you practice some sums and then I'll get back to you with a new lesson very soon. Goodbye.